In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Sendwave account in USA. If you're looking for a quick, reliable way to send money abroad from the United States, this walkthrough will take you from download to your first transfer with clear tips along the way. Start by grabbing the official app from your device's app store. Search for Sendwave, check that you're installing the legitimate app with strong reviews, and tap install. A quick tip: download over a trusted connection and update your phone's software first for the smoothest setup and best security. Once it's installed, open the app and choose to create a new account. The app may ask for permissions like notifications or camera access later during verification. You can allow these when prompted. Make sure your region is set to the United States so you see the right options and requirements. You'll be asked to enter your US phone number. Select the United States country code, type your mobile number, and wait for a one-time verification code by text. Enter the code exactly as it appears. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and use the resend option sparingly to avoid delays. Use a number you personally control, since you'll rely on it for future logins and security. Next, fill in your personal details. Use your legal name as it appears on your identification, along with your date of birth and current residential address. Consistency matters here. Make sure everything matches your documents to prevent verification hiccups. This information helps the service comply with US regulations and keep your account secure. Now it's time to verify your identity. Have a government-issued ID ready, like a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Follow the on-screen steps to scan your ID and complete a quick selfie check. For best results, shoot in a well-lit area, avoid glare, and keep the entire ID in frame. If a scan fails, try again with better lighting or a steadier hand. Reviews can be instant, but sometimes take a little longer. Just keep the app open or check back shortly. Add a payment method to fund transfers. You can link a US debit card or bank account. The app will guide you through securely connecting it. Ensure the name on your payment method matches your profile. Before you confirm, review any fees, limits, and estimated delivery times so there are no surprises. With that done, your account is ready. Start a transfer, enter your recipient's details, preview the exchange rate and total cost, and send. Consider beginning with a small test amount and enable extra security like a passcode or biometrics in settings. You're all set to send money confidently with Sendwave.